Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo A96, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, simply pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is, I think, turned off. So I assume you will have most likely, the same kind of result where it's turned off. So we will need to quickly add it by pressing on this button right here, this little square button, and let's find our Do Not Disturb, which for me is right here. So once you locate it, you want to grab it, drag it over to the top, drop it, and you can go back, and now it's accessible in the panel. So from here, once you locate it, you want to, for the first time, hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can check out how it is actually set up. So we have things like schedule, we have allow notifications, messages and calls, so you can choose who can message you, call you, and what application can just bypass the Do Not Disturb mode. And below that we have a ring for repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, as it's stated right here, they will completely bypass whatever you have set right here. So you could have chosen that no one can call you, but with this enabled, if they meet that requirement, they will just bypass this option. And then we have silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on, so just say kind of like a mute for everything. Anyway, once you went through the settings right here, you can close this and you don't ever have to come back here, assuming you don't want to change any settings. Additional info, if you're planning to use a schedule mode, as it is right here, just make sure that the schedule is set up right here and that it is toggled on like this. That's all you need to do for it to turn on and off automatically at your set time. And for everybody else that wants to use it manually, all you would do is just pull down your notification, simply tap on the toggle, select turn on, and there we go. It is right now already enabled, which you can see right here based on that tiny little moon icon. And additionally, if you pull down your notification, you can see that it is lit up in green to signify that it is right now running. Now, because we did turn it on manually, we also need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be on indefinitely. So all you do is just get back to the toggle, tap on it once again, and this disables it. So, that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.